Amid the escalating controversy surrounding the Tirupati Laddu, AR Dairy, a company that supplied ghee to the famous Lord Balaji temple, defended the quality of its products recently, stating that their samples have been cleared by authorities. The Tirumal Venkateswara temple, also known as the Tirupati Balaji temple, is a Hindu temple situated in the hill town of Tirumal at Tirupati in Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh. It is dedicated to Lord Sri Venkateswara, an incarnation of Vishnu. The renowned sweet Tirupati Laddu, given as a prasad at the temple, has the geographical indication GI tag. Recently, the Food Import Rejection Alerts (FIRA) portal was launched during the second edition of the Global Food Regulators Summit 2024 hosted by FSSAI at Bharat Mandapam. It is an online portal for notification of food import rejections at Indian borders. It has been developed by the Food Safety Standards Authority of India, FSSAI. What is FSSAI? It is an autonomous body established under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. It has been established under the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006, which is a consolidating statute related to food safety and regulation in India. Pallikarnai marshland. In a first, a bathymetric study is underway in and around Pallikarnai marshland to assess the volume of sludge that can be dredged to enhance the marsh's water-holding capacity and ecological functions. It is a freshwater marsh and partly saline wetland situated about 20 kilometers south of the city of Chennai, Tamil Nadu. It is one of the Ramsar sites in India. What is bathymetric study? It involves measuring underwater topography and is essential for developing comprehensive maps that can aid in determining the water storage capacity and flood patterns. It plays a critical role in wetland design, restoration, land use planning, and legal boundary determinations. Researchers have uncovered a fascinating mechanism behind the reduction and asymmetry of emu wing bones. About emu, it belongs to a group of flightless running birds known as ratites, the most primitive of the modern bird families. It is the second largest living bird in the world. The ostrich is the largest. Distribution: the emu is found only in Australia. It lives throughout most of the continent, ranging from coastal regions to high in the snowy mountains. Features: emu is more than 1.5 meters, 5 feet, tall and may weigh more than 45 kilograms, 100 pounds. Adult female emus are larger and heavier than males. Researchers have found evidence that the treeless, rugged, grassland landscape of the Falkland Islands was home to a lush, diverse rainforest up to 30 million years ago. Also known as the Malvinas Islands, the Falkland Islands is an internally self-governing overseas territory of the United Kingdom. The Indian Cancer Genome Atlas, ICGA, recently announced that it has launched India's first comprehensive cancer multiomics data portal. This data is freely accessible to the global research community under India's Pride, Promotion of Research and Innovation through Data Exchange guidelines, which promote ethical sharing and collaboration in cancer research. Mihir Shah-led Committee 2019, constituted to draft the National Water Policy, submitted their report almost 4 years ago, but still no actions have been taken. What were the key recommendations of Mihir Shah Committee? Integrated Water Resources Management, IWRM. It proposed a systems approach to water, focusing on managing water resources sustainably within river basins and aquifers. Creation of a National Water Commission, NWC, to replace the existing Central Water Commission (CWC) and the Central Groundwater Board (CGWB) to combining both surface and groundwater management and focus on water governance. Ministry of Rural Development (MoRD) hosted the National Conclave on Gender Mainstreaming. The conclave held under DNRLM Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihoods Mission was focused on strengthening gender-responsive community institutions (GRCI). Gender responsiveness means paying attention to the unique needs of females by valuing their perspectives, understanding developmental differences between girls and boys, and thereby empowering girls and women. UNICEF. Initiatives taken towards gender responsiveness. Nai Chetna, Pahel Badalav ki a national campaign for eliminating gender-based discrimination and violence. It is driven by DNRLM with support from UNICEF, Gates Foundation and civil society. Gender-responsive urban mobility systems. It is a nationwide convening towards fostering gender-responsive mobility planning by World Resource Institute, India. National Green Tribunal (NGT) orders classification of Nainital town based on carrying capacity and environmental sensitivity. What is carrying capacity? It refers to the maximum threshold of population an area can bear in relation to the available resources. It depends on both biotic, e.g. vegetation, hydrology, and abiotic, e.g. terrain, climate factors. Two major approaches for assessing carrying capacity: planetary boundaries approach applied in the context of environmental crisis such as global warming, land degradation, pollution, water stress. Biocapacity overshoot approach. It is a sustainability metric about the demand humans put on the earth systems by consuming total annual productivity of natural systems within a few months every year. E.g. Earth Overshoot Day. Recently, India signed and exchanged first-of-its-kind agreements focused on clean economy, fair economy, and IPF overarch ING arrangement under Indo-Pacific Economic Framework (IPF) for prosperity. IPF is structured around 4 pillars relating to trade: Pillar I, supply chain resilience; Pillar 2, clean economy; Pillar 3, and fair economy; Pillar 4. About IPF launched in 2022 at Tokyo, Japan. Member countries: 14 Australia, Brunei, Fiji, India, Indonesia, Japan, Republic of Korea, Malaysia, New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, and USA. Objective 2. Strengthen economic engagement and cooperation among partner countries with the goal of advancing growth, economic stability and prosperity in the region. Initiatives under IPF Upskilling Initiative for women and girls in IPF emerging and middle-income partner countries. Critical Mineral Dialogue aimed at strengthening the critical mineral supply chain and ensuring sustainable mining practices in the region. Others, Tech Council, Cooperative Work Program, CWP, etc. Recently, Union Cabinet approved continuation of centrally sponsored Scheme of Integrated Development of Wildlife Habitats, IDWH, for the 15th Finance Commission cycle. Objective: it is a centrally sponsored umbrella scheme launched by Ministry of Environment for Development of Wildlife Habitat in India. Components of IDWH: support to protected areas, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, conservation reserves, and community reserves. Protection of wildlife outside protected areas. Recovery programs for saving critically endangered species and habitats. So far, 22 species have been identified under the Species Recovery Program. Project Tiger and Project Elephant schemes have been merged WEF-FY 2023 से 24 and now known as Project Tiger Elephant. Prime Minister attends the 6th Quad Leaders Summit in Wilmington, USA. Reiterating that the Quad remains a force for global good, the Leaders Summit adopted the Quad Wilmington Declaration to take the agenda forward. Key announcements in the declaration: health security, Quad Cancer Moonshot, a partnership to save lives in the Indo-Pacific region by combating cervical cancer. Maritime security, Maritime Initiative for training in the Indo-Pacific, MUTRI, to maximize tools provided through Indo-Pacific Partnership for Maritime Domain Awareness, announced in 2022, and other Quad initiatives. Quad at Sea Ship Observer Mission in 2025 to improve interoperability and advance maritime safety. Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty Organization, CTBTO, is holding a workshop for scientists on using infrasound for monitoring nuclear tests with the industry. Set up in 1996, CTBTO is an interim organization tasked with building up the verification regime of the CTBT. India is not a signatory. About infrasound refers to low-frequency sound waves with a spectrum between 0.002 and 20 Hz that are below the range of human hearing. Microbrometers are used to detect minute changes in atmospheric pressures caused by infrasounds. Sources: natural, earthquakes, volcanic explosions, etc., and non-natural, mining, chemical explosion, nuclear explosions, etc. Applications: detection of distant nuclear explosions, CTBTO's International Monitoring System IMS, checking structural health of infrastructure, wildlife tracking, etc. Recently, Indian contingent won gold in both open and women's category at the 45th International Chess Federation FIDE Olympiad. About 45th FIDE Chess Olympiad organized in Budapest, Hungary. 44th Chess Olympiad took place for the first time in India, Chennai. Trophy for the winning team in the open section is the Hamilton Russell Cup. Trophy for the winning team in the women's section is the Vermichik Cup. About FIDE, it's the governing body of the sport of chess, and it regulates all international chess competitions. Constituted as a non-governmental institution, it was recognized by International Olympic Committee as a global sporting organization in 1999. Ministry of Education and Ministry of Health Family Welfare jointly issued an advisory to all states and UTs for the rigorous implementation of the 2FEI manual in line with COTPA 2003. Tobacco-Free Educational Institution 2FEI was launched as part of the National Tobacco Control Program. ACA's IRCLRI study has found that nanozymes can ensure collagen's integrity and enhance resistance to enzymatic degradation. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. It is found in the bones, skin, muscles, and tendons. About nanozymes: nanozymes are nanomaterial-based artificial enzymes with intrinsic enzyme-like properties. Unlike biological enzymes, nanozymes are typically inorganic materials, i.e., metals, metal oxides, or carbon based nanostructures. Advantages: high stability, easy modification, designability, ease of preparation, and low cost. Applications: biomedical, biosensing, drug delivery, diagnosis and therapy, etc., environmental remediation, water purification, air purification, etc., among others. ASEA in India Trade in Goods Agreement (ATIGA). During 12th East Asia Summit Economic Ministers meeting in Lao PDR, India called for expeditious review of the ATIGA. About ATIGA Genesis, signed in 2009 and entered into force in 2010. Mandate: each party shall accord national treatment to goods of other parties in line with GATT 1994. Need for review: goods from China and other non-ASEAN nations routing to India taking advantage of duty concessions under ATIGA. ASEAN constitutes for about 11% share in India's global trade. ERIA, Economic Research Institute for ASEAN and East Asia, ERIA, is collaborating on conducting a joint study on ATIGA. According to Ministry of Housing Urban Affairs data, only 16% of land is reclaimed under Legacy Waste Management Project of Swachh Bharat Mission, SBM 2.0. SBM 2.0 mandates all cities to clear legacy waste sites. Legacy waste definition: although there is no official definition of legacy waste, it typically refers to the aged municipal solid waste, MSW, in landfills or dump sites. Nagar Van Scheme. 111 Nagar Vans have been sanctioned within the last 100 days. About Nagar Van Scheme launched in 2020. Aim to develop 1000 Nagar Vans by the year 2027 with financial support of National Fund of National Compensatory Afforestation Management Planning Authority, CAMPA. Launched by Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change to promote urban forestry greenery by involving local communities, NGOs, educational institutions, local bodies, etc. Provision has been made on MeriLife portal for uploading details of plantations done. The Indian Cancer Genome Atlas, ICGA, Foundation launched a data portal which aims to be a repository for India-specific cancer genomics. It is based on the internationally recognized BioPortal platform, which ensures seamless integration with global cancer research efforts. PM Modi gave the Pushp mantra for making India a developed nation while addressing the Indian diaspora in New York. P stands for Progressive Bharat, U stands for Unstoppable Bharat, S stands for Spiritual Bharat, H stands for Humanity First Bharat, and P stands for Prosperous Bharat. All 5 petals of the Pushp flower will make Viksit Bharat, developed India. Relevance of the credit deposit CD ratio. The CD ratio is an important health indicator of a bank as it shows the bank's ability to cover loan losses and withdrawals by its customers. A high CD ratio indicates that a bank has made a large amount of loans compared to its deposits. This is taken as a sign of increased risk and reduced liquidity. A study published in the journal Earth and Planetary Science Letters found that Earth may once have a system of Saturn-like rings. About the study, the rings are theorized to have formed 466 million years ago during one of the coldest periods in the planet's history, known as the Ordovician. It formed when an asteroid passed too close to Earth, was stretched by its gravity to the point it broke down into lots of small and large pieces. These pieces jostled around and gradually evolved into a debris-laden ring orbiting Earth's equator. However, over time the material from the ring was pulled towards Earth. While most of the smaller pieces would have been burnt up in the planet's atmosphere, the larger pieces would have formed impact craters on Earth's surface, close to the equator. Polar bear, Ursus maritimus, is the largest and heaviest land carnivore in the world, specially adapted to living in the Arctic. Recently, The Union Cabinet approved Pradhan Mantri Janjatiya Unnat Gram Abhiyan (PM-JUGA) for improving the socio-economic condition of tribal communities. What are the key facts about the PM-JUGA? It is a centrally sponsored scheme for the welfare of tribal families in tribal majority villages and aspirational districts. Goals of the mission: it comprises 25 interventions which will be implemented by 17 ministries through funds allocated to them under the Development Action Plan for Scheduled Tribes (DAPST) in the next 5 years. World Rhino Day is celebrated each year on 22nd September. It highlights the need to conserve the 5 rhino species in the world. The first World Rhino Day was announced by World Wildlife Fund South African in 2010. Critically endangered 3 species, black, Javan and Sumatran. Near threatened white rhino, northern white is critically endangered. Vulnerable greater one-horned rhino. The rhino finds a mention in the Baburnama, the autobiography of Babur, founder of Mughal Empire, written initially in Chagatai Turkic and later translated into Farsi or Persian. Astrophysicists suggests in a recent study that a stellar cluster known as Palomar 5 may harbor a hidden swarm of over 100 stellar mass black holes. Palomar 5 is classified as a globular cluster, dense and spherical, typically containing between 100,000 and 1 million ancient stars. These clusters are often regarded as fossils from the early universe. Discovery: Palomar 5 was discovered by Walter Budde in 1950 and independently by Albert George Wilson in 1955. Hustle culture is defined as one that encourages employees to work more than normal working hours. Kavach centers to prevent high rate of child drownings. Additionally, community-driven swimming lessons and CPR training aim to prevent further tragedies. Noora Kumara Disanayak, a former student leader and Marxist-Leninist politician, has risen from grassroots activism to become Sri Lanka's new president. The Nationalist Congress Party, NCP, has split into 2 factions, one led by Ajit Pawar and the other by Sharad Pawar. The primary issue revolves around the allotment of the NCP's traditional clock symbol. In February 2024, the Election Commission, ECI, allotted the clock symbol to the Ajit Pawar faction, leading to a dispute.